At a press briefing held today, the Meghalaya state president of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Earnest Mawrie, had slammed the NPP-led government for misusing money towards the implementation of the focus scheme, which is meant for distribution to the farming community in the state. Reacting to a recent statement made by Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong on the focus scheme, Earnest Mawrie alleged that the same is a loan of more than Rs 1,500 crores that was borrowed by the government and distributed in the guise of the said scheme, not only to the producer groups in rural areas, but also to constituents in various urban constituencies, which Mawrie added would have to be repaid with interest by all beneficiaries.
And they asked me that, yes, but we support your stand for this focus. They should not misuse it. They only take this thing, call on beyond the issues. You see, when you declare any scheme, now suppose now, if I declare one scheme, I have to indicate that this scheme has come from this department. Like here in Meghalaya, some scheme, construction of road, has been funded by the NEC. Just today also, G. Kishan Reddy, the minister of NEC, called me. He told me in Meghalaya, against from the NEC, we have already funded some road, few road, around 169.51 kilometers. And some scheme has come from the Ministry of Tribal. Like, I think you are aware for the district council, before all those special scheme has been funded by the tribal affairs. But now again for this council has been funded directly from the what they call finance ministry. So they have to prove, no? It's not easy, you just give the statement in the press, then you say that, then let them give the clarification that from where that money come. As far as the knowledge, we came to know that it is a loan they have taken from some foreign investment. Let them come clear with that.